जिन्होंने आज़ादी बिना खड़ के बिना ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. Hello everyone, I am Shivanya Bhardwaj of class 11A studying in DPSGNE Nagar. 30th January is observed as the Martyrs Day because on this day in 1948, Mahatma Gandhi, the preacher of non-violence and truth, was assassinated by Nathuram Godse during his prayer. A 2-minute silence across the country is held at 11 a.m. in his honor. The President, the Prime Minister, the Vice President and the 3 service chiefs laid wreath at the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi at the Rajghat
of Subhash Chandra Bose. Freedom is not given, it is taken. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Inqilab Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad.
Bhagat Singh was a freedom fighter. He was born in September 1907 in a Sikh family. He gave his life for the independence of India.
Bhagat Singh was a prominent freedom fighter in the independence movement. He was born on 1907, 28 September at Punjab. Bhagat Singh's dad and uncle were freedom fighters, which inspired him to join the movement.
His last words with Ram Prasad Bismil were, "Jaunga khali haath, magar ye dard saath hi jayega. Jaane kis din Hindustan azad watan kehlayega."
On Ram Prasad Bismil, even if I have to face death 1,000 times for the sake of my motherland, I shall not be sorry.
Uttam Singh. He was born on 26 December 1899. He was belonging to Cadres Party. Sardar Uttam Singh, popularly known as Michael O'Dyer.
Mirabai was a Queen Authority and one of the popular leaders of 1857 revolution. She was a great freedom fighter. She was born on 19th November 1835 in Marathan Brahmin family. Her childhood name was Manikanika or nicknamed as Manu. Bhagat Singh was a freedom fighter in the independence movement. He was born on 28 September 1907 in Punjab. He was known as Shahid-e-Azam.
Rani Lakshmi Bai was a great freedom fighter. She was one of the leading figures of Indian rebellion in 1857. She was born on 19 November 1828 in Varanasi to Brahmin parents. Her father was Morupan Tambe and her mother was Bhagirathi Sapre. Her childhood name was Mani Karnika, famously known as Manubai.
As a child, she received her training as a soldier. She learned horse riding and wrestling. She was married to Gangadhar Rao, the king of Jhansi, at a very young age. After her marriage, she was named as Rani Lakshmi Bai. Unfortunately, her husband died after 2 years of her marriage. After her husband's death, she started ruling all over the Jhansi.
She fought the first war of independence against the British in the year 1857. Rani Lakshmi Bai proved her courage and valor and fought bravely against the British. She gave a tough fight to the British, but she could not withstand the British army for long. Rani Lakshmi Bai died at the young age of 23 on 18 June 1858. Her determination and courage is an inspiration to a lot of people. बुंदेले है बोलो की मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी.